Hi, I'm Jermaine. Welcome to my garden. I have all these plants in my backyard that have been waiting for weeks now to get in the ground. But with so much rain falling here in Switzerland during the month of May, I just haven't been able to plant them. So today the sky is clear and I finally get a chance to plant one of the new beds in my backyard. So this is the part of the backyard where I'll be working today, mainly on this flower bed here. The one with the pansies. It's like everything back here is pretty new. These are the first plants to be grown on it. So today I'm going to be filling this bed up with the new flower. So here are the flowers that we're going to be using today. It's a good mixture of annuals and perennials, and I think that the color combination is going to bring that bed to life. So before I go any further, I think I need to take out these pansies and put them somewhere else, just so I can get a good overview of how the plants will kind of coexist. Now that I've removed all the pansies, I can put in the new flowers and see if they go well together, or if I have to switch and move things around. So right now this is how everything is looking. I could live with that right now, but I feel like this abutilong I feel like this one right here, this is out of place. It somehow doesn't quite fit in the group. So I am going to take it out and try it somewhere else. So I've moved things around again and added some things, took out some things, and here's how everything is looking so far. Yeah, it's a process. It's a process. It takes a long time for things to come together. So I might have to switch and move things around one more round, but I'm going to take a break, come back and see if I still like it. So I'm back from my break, and I still love how everything is looking. Actually, I just want to plant the stuff and get done with it. Look at this. This is... oh my gosh. Okay, I know you're doing good things in that ground, but please stay away from me, okay? Happy life down there. So I'm now done with the planting. All I need to do now is to redistribute the mulch everywhere, maybe add a little bit more mulch. wherever necessary, and then water the plant. It was a lot of work planting all those flowers, but I'm now done with everything, and let's go through and see what exactly we have. So right here at the beginning we have the purple aquaritia. Next to it we have a bleeding heart. I think these are some daisies that we should be seeing here. Back there we have the purple fountain grass. Another bleeding heart here. Over here we have a blanket flower. Back there is a delphinium. And in between we have that pink dicentra. A couple of gladiolus growing back there, coming up already. At the end there we have two orange coleus and another delphinium with the salvia. That should be the blue salvia. And as I said, I have many bulbs in this bed, and I'm just looking forward to seeing how everything comes together. That was it for today. I'm so happy that I got this done. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you in our next one. Bye.